All right, so we're recording for Jamie. I don't know if he's gonna put this in the next couple videos or not, but this is for his birthday. His birthday was yesterday,
August 20th.
August 20th, and we're pulling out a 444 diff out of a 318
for his birthday present. Hey, we're good friends.
Yeah.
Sacrificing for the boy.
And all the truck band, the drive shaft bolts are seized. It's a bitch to get out the fucking axle bolts.
I want to kill myself.
Yeah, we're having fun. So Jamie had a, what was it, a 345. He didn't want anything lower than a 3, and we got lucky with this one because this is the first and the only E36 at this junkyard with a diff. So yeah, we're just getting lucky, and
hopefully the luck continues.
Yeah, hopefully. So we're gonna pull this diff, and I'll show you guys that next. All right, that took us like 3 hours, but anyway, we got the diff out. Barely. Man, it's a 444, so Jamie should be happy with it. But yeah, we're dead. I'm hungry. I'm tired.
I'm starving. I want some Chick-fil-A. But it's out. Jamie, happy fucking birthday.
Yeah, happy fucking birthday, bro.
This sucks ass. This is hell. I hope you know that. Show him the car. Show him the car. Show him
this car is fucking piecer, bro. Look at that shit.
Look under too. That shit sucked ass, Jamie. We love you, Jamie, though.
Come on, bro.
For you. Hope you know that, brother. Happy birthday, motherfucker.
Happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Honestly, like, what a fucking crazy surprise. I'm so happy that they got me this diff. Like, I couldn't be happier. Like it's a 444. Like, I was kind of hesitant about a 444 because, like, I felt like the gearing was just going to be so short. And, like, I'm going to be driving my car to the track, so it's going to be like a bitch driving on the highway. But, dude, it's going to be so nice for drifting. I'm so excited. Like, the thing's in really nice condition. We left it sitting out, so there's a little bit of rust on the inside. But this thing is fucking mint. But yeah, we're currently trying to get a hold of some people to try and get this thing welded today because I want to get this back in the car as soon as possible because I want to get back to driving. Another great thing, earlier I was talking about how we thought that I might have an oil leak because when we moved the car there was a bit of oil sitting underneath it, but turns out that was just Gabe's car, so we're chilling on that front too. Alright, so we're getting the diff welded today, hopefully for the third and final time. We got one of our old instructors from automotive doing some welding for us. Got the first tack in. Sounds like what we're gonna do the 4 corners like last time, and then we're just gonna do plates on both sides again. Hopefully our prep works a little better this time and we'll be able to make this thing hold together and have the weld stick. I'll spare you guys the welding montage this time, and I'll just show you what it looks like when we get done. Alright, so we're back at the garage. We got the diff all welded up. Dale did an amazing job on this. You can see before he put the plate in, we did each corner, and then we put the plate in, welded it all up, and then we even did welds on top and bottom for to the casing. So this thing is going to be absolutely bulletproof. I'm not jinxing this time, but I'm going to say this thing is not going to blow. It's not going to blow. I'm telling you. The next thing to go, I think, is going to be axles, if anything. But yeah, so now we're going to get this cleaned up. We're going to fill it up, and then we're going to try and get back in the car tonight. All right, so we just got the diff back in the car. We're going to take it for a small little shakedown. Ooh, real quick. What is that?
Did he have both of those little stoppers behind his tires? Because you had one little one. Oh, fuck.
What's that? Are you still recording?
Yeah.
So we're coming out of the garage, and I think I broke my front lip off. Oh, yep. She's off. Good stuff. I'm trying to figure out how it happened.
It's because that's like the thing that goes behind the tire when you put the car, it's laying right here.
Oh, it is? We forgot to take them out.
Oh,
good stuff.
Box.
Yeah, we forgot to take the wheel chocks out and dragged it off. It's okay, we'll reattach this later.
Toolbox.
But see, this is exactly why we use zip ties. Because the zip tie just broke instead of tearing off the entire bumper. Alright, now that that's out of the way, let's get going. Whew. That scared me, honestly. I thought it had broken something up front for sure. It sounded like something was dragging. And it was, but it wasn't anything super bad. So I'm in third gear going 20 right now at like $2,000. This 444 is gonna be interesting. The gears are so short. So to put it in perspective, I'm going 40 right now in fifth gear, and I'm at $2,500. That's kind of nuts. This 444 is insane. What the hell? All right, our first spot was hot, so we're gonna go to a different spot. The gearing in this car is so short now. I think second gear tops out maybe at like 35, which is just fucking blows my mind. We'll do a small little pull. Just do like a quick little 1, 2. Wow. Okay, so crazy thing now, the car just stays in like the meaty part of the power band so easily. That first to second, it just stayed like pushed me back in my seat. That was actually kind of crazy. Damn, this 1.8 liter sound like feels actually kind of fast now. This is cool. All right, we're at spot number 2. I don't even know if I'll be able to do it in first table. No, but that was so easy. That was so easy. Like, I don't have to be on throttle nearly as much. Like, I can play with the throttle a little bit, you know? It's nice. I was banging off rev limiter a little bit. You hear that? That sounded sick. All right, let's dip. Overall, I'm stupidly happy with this differential. Thank you guys so much for getting that diff for my birthday. I want to give a huge thank you to our dear friend Dale too, because without him, like, this thing would probably grenade itself again, honestly. But it held together great through that first run, and I hope it's gonna stay that way. But man, it's like a totally different car with this new diff. Like, the pulls first to second, like, it just stays in power, and it feels like a totally different car. I'm so excited, and I'm so happy to get back to drifting. Like, I just want to keep drifting this car. I need to get up to Spirit Peaks now. I'm excited, and I hope you guys are too, but goddamn. I think that's gonna end this video though. I hope you all have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one. And Kellen, thank you too. I totally forgot about you because you're not here, but thank you.